everybody, Scientist Joe here, coming to you alive from my kitchen, bringing you February's experiment of the month. This month, we are using surface tension to do some art. Here's what you'll need. I'm going to start by dropping paint into 2 cups. I chose blue for one of mine, red for the other one. You can choose whatever colors you want. In the other cup, I'm going to put just 1 drop of dish soap. To each cup, I'm going to add a little splash of water and then mix each cup completely. I have also taken a plate and filled it with a little bit of water. Normally, when you drop paint into water, the paint just sinks to the bottom. But there is, on the very surface of the water, lots of tiny little water molecules that all join together, and they make surface tension. And if you lay your paint down gently on the surface of the water, it won't sink. It'll actually float on top. So, take some paint. I have a little straw here. You can also use a paintbrush or even a piece of string will work. And just use it to gently drop some paint on the surface of the water. We have a lot of red and a lot of blue floating on the surface of the water, supported by that surface tension, all those little water droplets holding together and holding that paint up. But we can also get some cool effects if we break up the surface tension. Soap is something that helps break up surface tension. In your little cup, you added dish soap and water. And I'm just going to use a toothpick to get a little bit on there. And actually, I need even less than that. So I'm going to wipe some of it off on the side and watch what happens when we break the surface tension. Well, these are cool designs, but we can also capture them on paper. We've put paint on the surface here. If we put a piece of paper on over it, that paper will actually trap those designs where they are, and you can get some cool artwork out of it. I like to make a little handle on my paper just by folding over the edge and then dropping it gently onto the surface. If you wait about 10 seconds, it'll have time to actually soak up the paint. Don't worry about the paper getting too soggy. It's not an issue. After that, pick it up and put it on a paper towel. It won't hurt the drawing or the painting at all if you pat it with a paper towel. And when you're done, you got some cool artwork made with surface tension. One of my favorite things about this project is how easy it is to experiment with it. I tried out lots of different colors and color combinations. I found out that black shows up really, really well. Other things like yellow sometimes don't, but you can experiment for yourself. Try some things out. Swirl your colors around with a straw or a toothpick. You can even draw a little bit. I made a Valentine's Day card. I don't know how impressed my Valentine will be, but I like it. If you want to find out more about Science Fun for Everyone, you can check out our website right here. It has more instructions and more things to try out with this experiment. There are science jokes and facts and experiments to do at home. Also information about our science field trips, camps, and birthday parties at our lab. Thanks for watching. See you next time.